Do you want to automate Facebook tasks with N8N? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Facebook to N8N so you can build simple workflows. What are we waiting for? Let's now get started. First, open your N8N workspace, assuming that we've already logged in. If you're not, you can still log in your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing that you will do is go to the N8N website and locate the Create Workflow. Then, click the button. Next move is to add a node. Look for the plus icon and click it. Once the node menu opens, you will want to use the search bar provided at the top here. Type Facebook. After you see Facebook trigger, in your search result, go ahead and click it. We need to connect this node to your Facebook account. The connection process requires credentials, so click on Select Credential to proceed. In the drop-down that appears, select Create New Credential. This is where you will input some specific informations, and it's a pivotal moment in establishing the connection. Once the access token and the app secret are securely in place, hit the Save button. And that's it! You've successfully connected Facebook to N8N. Keep automating, keep creating, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.